celebrate the solstice and International Yoga Day. This coming to Times Square to celebrate has been part of my practice for I think the past 11 years actually now. And I brought my friend with me for her first time, and I just think it's a really, being in Shavasana in Times Square is probably what it's really all about, being able to find your peace in the midst of this big city.
This is my first time getting to come to this event, and I knew it was something I couldn't pass up on. You know, Times Square is so busy, and getting to be a part of this community and do yoga in the middle of it, kind of find some peace, some grounding, some stillness in the chaos, knew it was something I wanted to be a part of.
Yoga, not from the very beginning, but pretty early on, and it brings together three of my favorite things: the solstice, New York City, and yoga. It's really a wonderful gathering of yogis. So I always look forward to it.
This is my second time to do yoga in Times Square on the solstice. And, well, Times Square is magical for all the lights and the beauty. But mainly it's about gathering all of these people from diverse backgrounds and ethnicities and coming together as one to raise the spiritual energy in New York and in the world.
We have been celebrating International Day of Yoga at the Times Square, and this year, as you know, the theme of the Yoga Day is Yoga for Healthy Aging. Generally, I have been here for last 2 years, and in the last two occasions, we see more than 10,000 people come and practice yoga at the Times Square. And this year, we have been told by the organizers, which is Times Square Alliance, we work with them, we do the Yoga Day with them. This year, I think more than 12,000 people have registered. So that's what we are expecting today, that in next couple of hours, we'll be having 12,000 people practicing yoga at different stages of Times Square here. I'm so happy that yoga is gaining popularity in the United States. More than 10% people already do yoga. There are 36,000 yoga studios who are teaching and training yoga to people. And I'm sure, you know, they are benefiting from this ancient wisdom and healthy tradition of India by practicing yoga. I'm so happy that this year we have respected Guruji H.R. Nagendraji, who has come all the way from India to join us here. And he will be joining here and in the Times Square here today. And tomorrow we'll be celebrating Yoga Day and meditation in the Indian consulate here. Where other consulates and other people would also participate. So this year we are celebrating yoga, I would say, in a very purposeful way. And I'm so happy that Mr. Prem Bhandari and his organizations, which is Rajasthan Association of North America and Bruhad and Rajasthan Foods, they are also partnering us in organizing this event. But truly, when we celebrate International Day of Yoga, and it's not only in Times Square that we are celebrating, if you go to Central Park, you go to any other places in New York City, including Bryant Park, you will find hundreds of people practicing yoga today. So that's I think the beauty of yoga, that's the popularity of yoga, which has gone all across the United States. Thank you.
On this very auspicious day, when we have the longest day, I have been invited here for this IDY celebration by Prem Bhandari and his wife Rekha, who has been able to bring us here. And very auspicious day today because our Honorable Prime Minister has brought this International Day of Yoga throughout the world. And the theme this year is Yoga for Healthy Aging. That we all have to see that as we age, we should continuously become healthier day by day, day by day. And that's the theme. And it can happen when we bring balance. That the catabolic and anabolic rates that go on, and the catabolic rate takes over normally in our age, and we have to reduce that. For that, very special pranayamas also have been developed by our ancient masters, and yoga is an ancient science which gives direction to modern science to go beyond the physical. to understand what is prana, mind, emotions, intellect, and that which is beyond everything. And that is the great message that our Honorable Prime Minister has given this year, and everybody should practice yoga. The yoga protocol, which contains Jnana Yoga, Raj Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga, all in a nutshell. And that is what everybody should do, so that we all can grow from our normal level to great and superhuman beings and bring one world family. Thank you.
देखें आप, दुनिया का आइकॉनिक प्लेस है टाइम्स स्क्वायर, और यहाँ से जो योगा का संदेश जाता है वो पूरी दुनिया में जाएगा. आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू ऑनरेबल गुरुजी, योग गुरु डॉक्टर एच.आर. नागेंद्र जी, एस व्यासा वाइस चांसलर, मंजूनाथ जी, ऑल द वे दे हैव कम फ्रॉम इंडिया. आप देखें कि गुरुजी का एक सपना है कि अब न्यूयॉर्क के अंदर व्यासा योग यूनिवर्सिटी की स्थापना हो. इस पर हमारी चर्चा चल रही है. सतीश गुप्ता साहब बहुत बड़े व्यवसायी हैं, उससे भी बड़े इंसान हैं, ग्रेट फिलैंथ्रोपिस्ट आप हैं, के मेहता साहब हैं, सभी लोग जानते हैं. तो अब हम उसी काम को आगे बढ़ाना चाह रहे हैं. और ये देश के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र भाई मोदी साहब का ये ही वाज इंस्ट्रूमेंटल के यूएन ने इसे 21 जून को इंटरनेशनल योगा डे डिक्लेयर किया. जैसा कि वसुदेव कुटुंबकम की फिलॉसफी जो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री भी फॉलो कर रहे हैं और हजारों साल से हम कर रहे हैं, वर्ल्ड इज वन फैमिली, विश्व पूरा एक परिवार है. और आज से पहले कभी इतनी जरूरत नहीं हुई. विश्व शांति की आवश्यकता है. आज आदमी करोड़ों रुपए, अरबों रुपए कमा लेता है, लेकिन शांति ढूंढता है, और वो शांति आपको योगा, मेडिटेशन, इन सब चीजों से आपको मिल सकती है. और आई एम वेरी फॉर्चुनेट कि गुरुजी, आप देखें पिछली बार मैंने अवधेशानंद गुरुजी को भी यहाँ बुलाया था कॉन्क्लेव के फंक्शन में ही टाइम्स स्क्वायर पे. उससे पहले गुरुजी यूएन के अंदर भी ही वाज चीफ गेस्ट देयर. कैपिटॉल हिल में हमने किया है. तो मैं तो आपका शिष्य हूँ और योगा का जितना प्रचार प्रसार कर सकता हूँ उतना कर रहा हूँ. माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी की भी ब्लेसिंग्स है हमारे साथ में, विशेष स्नेह है. तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि ये योगा ना केवल यहाँ टाइम्स स्क्वायर के आज इस फंक्शन की बात है, जैसा गुरुजी ने बताया कि 30 करोड़ लोग आज इसको प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, तो चाह रहे हैं और उम्मीद करते हैं कि पूरे विश्व में ये योगा पूरे 193 देशों में फैलेगा. बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
And look over us. Let's look at the other block.